welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Range Rover Evoque. It's the 2.2 diesel, the best one. Top of the range dynamic, lovely condition. Finished in, so you can see, in absolutely shiny black. Front park distance control. It's got the black pack on it all the way around as well. Upgraded alloy wheels. Privacy glass to the rear. Rear park distance control and reverse camera. Got the bigger diffuser, which is colour coded with the twin exhausts. Look at that, it's absolutely clean. It hasn't even been polished yet, just literally arrived. Inside the boot, absolutely spotless. Got the rear parcel shelf. Even the Range Rover badges haven't been tarnished, which usually happens on these cars. Colour coded door handles. You've got the full black leather with the white stitch piping. Panoramic roof. It's stunning. Electric memory seats. Electric windows, electric mirrors, Meridian sound system, which is absolutely superb. Electric seats. See, it's all in lovely condition. There is a blind for the panoramic roof if you wanted to blind. Got paddle shift on the gearbox, just start it up. Starts up, sounds lovely. It's only done 85, 611 miles. Cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, oh, heated steering wheel. 3-stage heated seats, I'll show that again in case you missed it. Heated steering wheel there. The full touch screen. Different driving styles for 4-wheel drive selection. Full media pack. DAB radio. It will come on in a minute. Satellite navigation.
What they're buying, that's right. Celebrity Big Shot is back. It's next.
Reverse camera. Climate control. Plenty of audio and USB. Absolutely lovely condition. At DJH we provide full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.